Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about Is BeenVerified Legit? Review BeenVerified.com and guide how to use it. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. BeenVerified.com is a popular online platform that provides background checks, public record searches, and other personal data reports. If you're considering using BeenVerified, you may wonder, is it legit? This guide reviews its features, reliability, and how to make the most of the platform. What is BeenVerified.com? BeenVerified is an online service that gathers public information to create detailed reports about individuals. It allows users to look up background checks, criminal records, contact information, and more. The platform caters to those seeking information about unknown callers, online connections, or potential business partners. Is BeenVerified legit? Yes, BeenVerified is a legitimate platform. It aggregates publicly available data and presents it in an easy-to-understand format. While the service is legal, users must adhere to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, regulations, meaning it cannot be used for hiring, tenant screening, or other restricted purposes. Pros: ease of use, the website and app are user-friendly. Comprehensive reports, access to a wide range of data, including social media profiles, phone numbers, and address history. Transparency, clear subscription pricing and customer support options. Cons: subscription costs, access to reports requires a paid membership. Inconsistent data, like any data aggregation tool, the accuracy of information can vary. How to use BeenVerified? Sign up, visit BeenVerified.com and choose a subscription plan. Search, enter the name, phone number, or email of the person you're investigating. Review reports, browse the data and use the provided information responsibly. BeenVerified.com is a legitimate platform for accessing public records, but it's crucial to use it ethically. For those looking to find information quickly and efficiently, BeenVerified offers a reliable solution. Always comply with privacy laws and understand its limitations before use. Thank you to those of you who have watched this video, and I really hope for feedback to increase creativity in creating content that is positive and useful for many people.